What's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I will be finally showing you guys how I get my crochet passion twist in, how I do it. Today I am trying a different method that is hopefully a little bit easier for people with shorter hair like me. I am in the protective style mode, and I have just been wanting to try different protective styles that I wasn't able to do as a child, because if you did not know, I am kind of allergic to braiding hair. It makes me itch, and not just the normal itch that some people get, like it makes me break out on my face and all that. So I never really did braids growing up, but I found that the crochet hair and just the crochet method in general keeps me from having that same effect. So now that I found something that works for me, I have been going a little crochet crazy. So I added in some color this time, and I did a different method. As you can see, it doesn't even look crocheted. It looks totally natural. I could wear it in any type of style I want. I'm not even gonna lie, I did struggle a little bit just because I was doing it myself, but it all came together really nicely. I do love how the results came out. I will say that I don't recommend the colored hair, because as you can see, this is the exact same brand, but the type of hair they used for the colored hair is way too smooth, it's way too shiny, and it does not match the nice uniformity of these. Like, they look a little bit too messy for me. They're almost made out of the material that they make Halloween wigs out of, and I do not like that really. So I don't think I'd ever use their colored hair again, because it is just not for me. That's why I didn't put a lot of them in there. Next time I will definitely be doing a little bit less. I wasn't talking during the video, and I had a mask on because I did have my friend in the salon with me, and COVID is real. We do stay protected every time we hang out. So for sure I had my mask on while recording this video. The only thing that did change was that I did not leave the back of my head braided. I actually continued this method going all the way down. Let me show you guys the back of my head right now. Instead of doing braids in the back like some girls do in their tutorials, when you have shorter hair and you're trying to braid your own hair, that can be a little tricky and the braids were coming out. So I had to get rid of that and just keep doing the ponytails connecting all over, and I feel like that method worked really well for me. Like, it looks way more natural than just having the braids in the back. As you can see, I have my green eyebrows on today. I do have a tutorial on how I get my colored eyebrows. I don't put concealer over them or anything. It's super easy, so make sure you guys are checking that out. And this shirt was actually featured in one of my haul videos, so if you guys want to know where I got this shirt from, go back and watch that video. But I think that is it. I did get 18 inches, so this is how long it looks on me. And over time, they do kind of stretch out, so they're actually going to be longer than 18 inches, I promise you. So let me stop talking so you guys can watch this tutorial. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants a new do, okay? I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any other, hair video requests, any questions you'd like me to turn into a video, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Alright you guys, so first I will be going in and parting my hair. I will be doing like 2 rows of squares, and this application is definitely not perfect. Next time I would want to stagger my squares and kind of like brick lay them so they wouldn't be directly behind each other, but either way it still came out looking great. So I'm just going to be using some gel, or you can use edge control to put around your boxes. But whatever works for you. I use Shine and Jam, actually. I couldn't think of the name of it, but that's what I used. And just regular rubber bands, and I'm going to be connecting the front rubber band to the back rubber band, but you're going to be seeing that a little bit later in the video. Alright y'all, so in this section right here, I want to slow the video down, go back to normal speed so you guys can really see how to put in these faux locks. You have to slide in the hook open, not closed. If you try to slide it in while closed, it will hurt. And then you put the loop of the faux lock on the hook, drag it back through, open the kind of tight loop, and bring the faux lock back through to create a little knot at the root. It's really easy, but once you get the hang of it, you know, it'll be like second nature. It'll be even more than easy, simple even. So that's what I like about crochet styles. It's just too easy. Doing the faux locks or crochet, passion twist, all that, doing that by hand is a little more tricky and time consuming, and I'd rather spend my time getting the hair done quicker instead of spending it doing everything so slow and it being a long drawn out process.